Before we jump right into the stocks, our updates to our watch list of individual stocks, I wanted to share with you a tip on how we could find value stocks given this environment of a risk off, rotation into value stocks, etc. I wanted to share with you a tip on how you can find these types of value stocks on a daily basis. You can see some of this process that I go through on an almost daily basis in FinViz. I've got several screeners. You can see that in this video, how to search for stocks in FinViz. In this one, I'm going to take those same queries that I've used in that previous video that you can see here, my watch list screeners, and show you how to further filter those down to find cheap value stocks, and in the future we'll probably do some videos on further information about how to find cheap profitable stocks, how to find cheap value stocks. So here I'm going to show you how to find cheap profitable stocks in FinViz. So I'm going to start with my standard screener, which will start with 90% below their 52-week high. So I've got this URL saved off, as you can see in that previous video. I just pasted into this into the URL in FinViz. Again, you can find our affiliate link to FinViz in the description box below. And you can see I end up with a total of 108 stocks coming up that are 90% below their 52-week high. So to me, that's too many stocks, and I'm not really looking right now for everybody that's bottoming. I'm looking for those that are profitable. If they're making money in a higher interest rate environment, flight from risk into value, I want the companies that are profitable and they're at their bottom right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip to the fundamental tab, and I'm going to say, okay, I want to see only those that have a positive PE ratio, only those that are profitable, and they're within 10% essentially of their 52-week low. So I say, okay, select profitable greater than 0. And now I'm down to 15 stocks. So I went from 108 stocks to 15 stocks, and those are all profitable. So they all have a positive PE ratio, and we could further filter them down. If we don't want a high PE ratio, we could say, okay, not only do I want it greater than 0, but I want it, say, under 50. And now from 15 we're down to 12. And now I can very quickly look at the charts of each by hovering over their leg, and I can see, okay, what pattern looks good. And I can see what sector. I don't want to see anything in China. I can't really filter that very easily, just China out in FinViz, but I can quickly scan and say, okay, there's very few that I need to look at. Which one looks good? Then if I want to, I can right click, open that particular chart in a new tab, and I can quickly see the details of that particular stock, look at their metrics, etc., look at their chart in detail. So I just wanted to very quickly share that tip with you of how you can find cheap profitable stocks. Again, in this particular environment where we're talking about interest rates increasing and high inflation, flight to value, risk off, etc., I want to share this tip with you that you can use in FinViz on a daily basis to then screen for additional stocks to add to your watch list that are profitable and more likely to survive through this high inflation, increasing interest rate environment. So I hope this helps. Again, this is something you can do on a daily basis in FinViz. Find profitable, cheap stocks, and look at their charts, see which ones might be turning up, might be hitting a bottom and turning up that you might want to add to your watch list. Again, we will add those that we're adding to our watch list in the comments of this video below. So we hope this helps, and now let's jump into other ways we can update our watch list. And again, I will probably add this information and additional information in some future videos about how to find cheap profitable stocks, how to find cheap value stocks. But for now, you can see the basis of this and how to search for stocks in FinViz in our previous video. Hope that helps. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day.